Are you serious about hacking? Do you want to become an ethical hacker or a penetration tester? Then this video is for you. Why, you may ask? Well, hacking is fun, great, challenging when you do it ethically, of course. But when you are searching and learning online, you sometimes get too advanced or too basic topics without a good enough structure. To build up my knowledge, I decided to start reading some books while practicing hacking. Here are my top 10, and some are not what you expect. So, without further ado, let's get to it. The first on the list is Hacking: The Art of Exploitation. This is a well-known book in the field of hacking, and it provides a comprehensive introduction to the world of exploitation. In this book, you can expect to learn about contents like programming in C, exploitation techniques like buffer overflow, shell code, networking, and for instance, you can learn about the 𝐂𝐳𝐤 model, and also you can download a live CD ISO that you can use to practice the techniques covered in the book. Now, why is this a good book? Well, this book is a great book for ethical hackers and penetration testers because it teaches you how hacking really works at a deep level, of course. Instead of just showing you tools, it explains how vulnerabilities happen, especially in software, and how to exploit them. The book gives you hands-on practice with coding and debugging, which helps you understand not just how to attack systems, but also how to protect them. It's perfect for learning the skills you need to be a successful ethical hacker. The next on the list is the Web Application Hackers Handbook. You probably heard of it as the Bible of web application security. It covers the most critical aspects of web application penetration testing. Now, in this book, you can expect to learn about contents like web vulnerabilities like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and more, discovery and information gathering like mapping applications. You will also learn techniques for automating attacks. You will have quizzes at the end of each chapter and exercises to try. Now, why is this a good book? The Web Application Hackers Handbook is considered a must-read because it thoroughly explains how to find and exploit web vulnerabilities. It's great for both beginners and experienced hackers because it covers everything from basic technologies to advanced attack techniques. The book is very practical, with detailed examples and real-world case studies that will help you understand how these attacks work in real life. The next book is the Hacker Playbook series. This book is structured like a playbook and it provides a step-by-step guide for conducting different types of attacks. In this book, you can expect to learn about things like abusing Active Directory, cloud vulnerabilities, ransomware, and so on. Now, why is this a good book? Well, this is a great book because it teaches you how to hack step by step using real-world examples. The book is very practical, showing you how to perform different types of attacks from the start to finish. It's easy to follow, making it perfect for beginners and for those looking to sharpen their skills with the latest hacking techniques. Our next book is RTFM, as known as Red Team Field Manual. This book differs from the others because it's just a manual that has commands and techniques. So, in this book you will have a collection of commands, tools and techniques that you can apply on different OSs. Now, why is this a good book? Well, this is a good book because it gives you exactly the commands and techniques you need during hacking. The next on the list is Advanced Penetration Testing: Hacking the World's Most Secure Networks. This book goes beyond basic penetration testing to explore advanced techniques used to breach highly secure networks. In this book, you can expect to read about advanced evasion techniques, complex network environments, real-world case studies, etc. Now, why is this a good book? This is a great book because it goes beyond the basics and teaches you how to handle the toughest secure networks. It's especially useful for those who already know some fundamentals of hacking and want to learn advanced techniques. Next we have Blackhead Python. The Blackhead Python will help you create tools and scripts for penetration testing. So, with this book, you will be able to learn about things like how to make a network scanner, how to make a keylogger, network sniffers, and so on. Now, why is this a good book? This particular book is good because it shows you how to use Python to create your own hacking tools. So, instead of just using existing scripts, this book teaches you how to build custom scripts and programs to automate tasks, exploit vulnerabilities, and analyze network traffic. This ability to create your own tools or scripts is a key skill for someone that is a ethical hacker or a penetration tester. Our next book is Attacking Network Protocols. This is a great book to learn how to analyze and attack network protocols. So, with this book, you will learn things like techniques to capture network protocols, perform analysis of the protocols, and how to discover and exploit security vulnerabilities. So, why is this a good book? This book is great because it explains complex network protocols in a way that is easy to understand, even if you are not a networking expert. It shows you how to discover security flaws in these protocols and how to exploit them to gain control over networks. This makes it an essential resource for anyone who wants to improve their skills on network security and learn how to protect or attack the systems that make our internet work. Next, we have the Pentester Blueprint, Starting a Career as an Ethical Hacker. This book is a guide for beginners looking to start a career in penetration testing. So, in this book, you will read about things like career path guidance. It covers the foundational skills needed for ethical hacking, including networking, programming, and security basics. It introduces key tools and resources that you should be familiar with, and the list goes on. Now, why is this a great book? This book is great because it breaks down the steps you need to take from learning the basics of cybersecurity to understanding the tools and skills required for penetration testing. The book also offers practical advice on how to build your career, including tips on certifications, networking, etc. The next book is Basic Security Testing with Kali Linux. This book introduces you to Kali Linux, which will be used for security testing. Now, what will you learn with it? You will learn about things like how to set up a lab and install virtual machines. And if you are interested in doing that, please go watch this video up here. You will learn about reconnaissance, showdown, metasploit, and the list goes on. Now, why is this a good book? Well, this is a great book because it provides a straightforward, hands-on introduction to using Kali Linux. The book is perfect for beginners as it walks you through basic security techniques step by step. Our last book is Real-World Bug Hunting, a Field Guide to Web Hacking. This book is a practical guide for anyone interested in discovering and exploiting vulnerabilities in web applications. The book is tailored for those who want to get into bug bounty hunting. It offers insights and techniques based on real-world examples of bugs that have been found and reported by professionals. So, what will you learn with this book? Well, you will learn about things like what is a bug bounty, common web vulnerabilities like cross-site scripting, SQL injection, cross-site request forgery, among other things. As I told you before, you will have access to real-world case studies illustrating how actual bugs were found in popular web applications. You will also learn about reporting and the list goes on. Now, why is this a good book? Well, this is a great book because it provides practical real-world insights into finding and exploiting vulnerabilities in web applications. This book is perfect for those who want to become bug bounty hunters, and it's easy to understand, it's for beginners, and it covers both common and advanced web vulnerabilities. These are just some of the great books to read in the fields of hacking, penetration testing, and bug bounty hunting. Having these books in your hands is powerful, but combining them with a roadmap, it's even better. If you already have your path to becoming an ethical hacker mapped out, that's fantastic. But if you need help creating your own roadmap, be sure to check out this video that I made. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel for more content like this. If you know of any other great books that I didn't mention, I'd love for you to share them in the comments so we can all learn and grow together. See you next time, stay curious, stay safe, and happy reading. Bye bye!